Aduro Clean Technologies has partnered with Generation IACP to provide market-making services, aiming to maintain a reasonable market and improve the liquidity of Aduro's common shares. This agreement is in accordance with Canadian securities exchange policies and is valid for an initial 6-month term, which will automatically renew unless terminated by either party with 30 days' notice. Generation has agreed to provide market-making services for Aduro, receiving a monthly fee of $8,000 initially, increasing by 3% annually. This arrangement does not involve stock options or other compensation. Generation may acquire an interest in Aduro's securities in the future, but currently holds none. The market-making activities aim to balance supply and demand for Aduro's shares, with Generation covering related costs. This partnership aligns with Aduro's capital market strategy and emphasizes accessibility, transparency, and long-term shareholder alignment. Generation IACP is an independently held broker based in Toronto, Ontario. The company is a member of various exchanges, including the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, TSXV, Canadian Securities Exchange, NEO Exchange, and is a participating organization as defined by the rules and policies of the Toronto Stock Exchange. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.